You guys have been wondering how I color grade, and just like always, I'm a very lazy editor. So I'm gonna teach you guys super duper quickly how I color grade all my footage to make it super duper sexy in a very short amount of time. This is my no bullshit color grade. Let's get straight into it. All right, here's my no bullshit color grade. If you're like me, you don't like to spend hours color grading. I'm just here to color grade my sexy footage with me being sexy in the footage. We need a counter for how many times I use that word. So I just use a one-click thing. I'm in and out when it comes to color grading. I don't go super in depth and use this elementary scopes bullshit. Like, bro, I literally just create clean videos like, don't even close that shit. We ain't using that shit. We're using our eyes. So if you guys are running an S-Log 3, you need to make sure to convert that from S-Log 3 into Rec 709, just like so. I use a conversion route. It's free, it's off of Sony's website. I'll leave the link to it in the link in the description for absolutely free, so you guys can use that. And the way I do this is super duper simple. I come into creative, I hit browser, and then I open my Luts and I use my Luts. I only use 5 Luts. I got rid of all my other Luts because these are the 5 most ones I always use, and all the other ones just don't. I've used thousands of Luts, and these are my 5 most used Luts. They're super duper high quality. The one I always pick is this Color Boost one. It's my absolute favorite, just because when you click it, it works in pretty much every single footage, especially all the footage that I work with. And the reason why I call it Color Boost is because it targets specific colors like these greens and pretty much all the colors that really make your video look super clean and high quality without fucking up the colors and being way too oversaturated. That's why I love this LUT. All you have to do is just crank up the intensity as much as you want. I like it about there, and then I usually just call it a day. That's all I do. And those LUTs will be in the link in the description for you guys, so you can go grab them for yourself, which, why wouldn't you? They're the best LUTs in the industry. I approve. King Torsten Roscoe approves. If you guys want to edit exactly like me and learn my editing system that allows me to create my Instagram reel edits in under 20 minutes, like this video right over here, I do a full step-by-step with you guys, editing that video live with you in under 20 minutes. So you could be editing like me in under 20 minutes. Make sure you go click that video right now and go watch that. And I'll thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!